Mheshimiwa Rais
mabura ma mwaka uyu ma 57 ma Jamhuri matafanirio na njira ya mwanya kiauri-ini kia Uhuru Gardens mwena wa Rang'ata kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Mugaru na mabura otamaya mwaka muhituku riria President Uhuru Kenyatta ahuthire ihinda riake gutaburukia ciĩgiĩ itugenya ciothe wa na mbere na ũkũria wa bũrũri. Umuthi nyimbo na mbica cia video ni cihuthikire gukindira ndeto ino.
Kwa kuwa Rais Uhuru Kenyatta ametilia manani swala la kuwaunganishia Wakenya umeme. Tangu tujinyakulie uhuru hadi mwaka wa 2013 ni nyumba milioni 2.3 tu zilizokuwa zimeunganishiwa umeme. Ukinyaniria wa motungata mogima wa mwiri wa muingi kuhitukira waki wa thibitari na muno kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Undu umwe no tabia wa thitima micini tanyihire milioni 3.3 ari mamwe ma maria makindirirwo na njira nene hindi ya mabura maya. Hospitali ya Soweto Kayole ambayo inawahudumia wakazi takriban 50,700. Hospitali ya Muthua Uthiru ambayo inawahudumia wakazi takriban 55,500.
Ideni riu President Kenyatta no akinyereirie bata wa gukorwo na kioneki gia gutura kia ukuria wa bũrũri wona ukinyaniria wa kioneki kia mwaka wa 2030 kuri bũrũri kiinikirira miaka 8 yukite.
Indeed, as we envision the future, we are also reminded that in 8 years' time, our economic blueprint, that is the Kenya Vision 2030, will have run its course. And indeed, Vision 2063 must be a bold imagination of what Kenya will be at 100 years.
Maya mauma mabura ma muthia ma mutongoria wa bũrũri Uhuru Kenyatta gũtabania kuria ahinyereirie muingi gutua matua makinyaniru moria magienda utoro wa njiaro iria iguka ugaikara.
That our country, our nation, actually lent South Korea money to implement its development plan in 1963. The question we therefore must ask ourselves is what happened? Why were we unable to develop as fast as those did?